If you want to make more money per order without having to raise your prices, you need to add personalizations as an option in your home bakery business. Let's keep it real. People like to see their names on things. It doesn't matter what it is. Bags, hats, suitcases, shirts. My husband and his friend even owned Facebook pages way back in the day that gained hundreds of thousands of followers solely based on their name. And it's no different with baked goods. So let me show you how you can take advantage of this and make more money per sale without having to raise your prices. Oxford Dictionary defines personalization as the action of making something identifiable as belonging to a particular person, especially by marking it with their names or initials. In terms of a baking business, personalizations are custom details added to a baked item to make it feel more one of a kind. Adding personalizations is one of the easiest ways to make your products feel more custom, and custom is what people pay more for. So one way to increase the value of your orders without baking more or raising your prices is by offering personalized labels. So let me give you an example. Imagine getting an order for graduation and you're able to add a ready-to-go label that says "Congrats Grad" and has space to add the graduate's name and school colors. You're still selling the same cookie or cupcake or cake slice, but now customers have the option to upgrade to a personalized gift with a personalized label. You could charge just a few dollars more and people will gladly pay for something as special as that. So now it makes their gift or their dessert more special, and it makes your average order total go up. That's the magic of personalizations. Whether it's for a birthday, teacher's gifts, weddings, or even just for fun orders, adding personalizations like a person's name or even a nice message makes the product feel more exclusive. And we all know that exclusivity adds value. Now, if the idea of creating personalized labels sounds a little overwhelming for you, don't worry because I got you covered. I've already done the hard part inside of my label template membership. You can get access to a growing collection of editable templates that match all kinds of seasons, occasions, and holidays. All you have to do is open it, customize the text or the colors, and hit print. It's super fast and easy and designed specifically for home bakers like you. Offering personalized labels is a profitable change that you can make in your business. It adds value, helps you stand out, and doesn't add any extra work because you already have to add labels to your products. Another super simple way to add personalizations to your orders and increase the value of your baked goods is by printing people's names or other personalizations directly onto your products using an edible printer, like the iKoffy Edibot, which is the sponsor of today's video. The iKoffy Edibot is the first AI portable full-color food printer that makes it incredibly easy to bring personalization to life. With pro-grade precision at 1200 DPI, you can print clean, detailed names and designs directly onto cookies, macarons, and even fondant. It looks polished and professional and like something from a boutique bakery or upscale dessert bar. And it's not really just about the clarity of the Edibot, but it's the unmatched vibrancy of over 100,000 food-safe colors, which means you can print gradients, rainbows, and even photos with rich detail. It opens up a whole new creative lane, especially for those moments when people want something truly special. I'm picturing the grandmother who wants to spoil each of her grandkids with a mini cake that has their name on it for Christmas, or the mom looking to make back-to-school week special with personalized cookies in each lunchbox, or even a bride who wants to give each bridesmaid a custom sweet treat during her bridal shower. The possibilities are literally endless. And honestly, half of the time, people don't even need a reason because having your name on a treat is just cool. The iKoffy Edibot is FDA certified and lab tested, which means you can trust it's safe for your customers. Something that matters, especially when you're offering custom items for events like birthdays or weddings. Plus, it comes with fun extras like the AI image design tools that turns into edible art, and over 500 templates for occasions like birthdays, baby showers, and holidays that are already built into the app. This means you don't have to start from scratch every time someone places an order. Instead, you can build out a library of your favorite designs, whether that's a graduation theme, baby shower icons, or seasonal motifs, and reuse them whenever you need. Just tweak the name or date and it's ready to go, and it keeps your workflow simple. When a customer places an order, all you have to do is select the file, hit print, and move on to the next task. And because the app connects directly to the Edibot, everything stays synced, which saves you time and mental energy. So all you have to do is focus on baking and building your business. The iKoffy Edibot is a game changer for personalization, and not just because of what it can do, but because of what it helps you offer to your customers. And what I personally love is that it's handheld. It's like a cute little printer that I can just stick in my pocket. I can literally take this to a market, a pop-up, or use it during prep without needing a whole production. Now let's talk about the money for a second. Let's say you're selling a dozen cupcakes for $48. That's the standard pricing and it's solid, right? But now you want to offer a personalization option, like printing a name or a short message onto a cupcake or a cookie. And you charge an additional $12 for that. That's now $1 extra per item for this customization. Now that same dozen goes from $48 to $60. You didn't have to bake more. You didn't have to increase your batch size. You just simply added more value to the product. So now for your customer, that extra $12 feels like a justified upgrade for something that makes it feel one of a kind. And for you, that's a 25% increase in order value. Yay! Now you can apply that same concept across multiple orders during graduation season, baby showers, birthdays, and all these little small personalizations can stack up to make a huge difference in your revenue. You can get the link to order your iKoffy Edibot in the description below. And thank you to iKoffy Edibot for sponsoring this part of the video. When it comes to personalizations, it's not just about putting names on cookies and treats. It's about creating a custom experience that speaks directly to the person or the business that's receiving it. And one of the most overlooked opportunities in a home bakery is tapping into corporate and bulk orders using personalization. This opens the door to the world of business gifting, corporate events, school fundraisers, and community celebrations. Companies and organizations are ready to spend money when it means getting their logo onto something that's super impressive. With the iKoffy Edibot printer, you can print business logos, mascots, or even taglines directly onto cookies, cupcakes, cake slices, and all kinds of other treats. It takes your products to a whole other professional level that feels high-end and turns a regular dozen of cookies or cupcakes into a branded experience that businesses are happy to pay for. These actually become high visibility items too, because when you make or even gift branded cookies to businesses, you can take pictures of them at the business to post on your own social media. And then they may return the love and share your photo on their social media as well. So now your product becomes marketing for their brand and yours too. So if you're trying to get your foot into the door with local businesses, this kind of personalization is a powerful hook. It makes your offer stand out from other bakers, and it tells them that you're thinking like a business owner and not just a baker. So if you're a baker trying to increase your revenue without increasing your prices, oh, that's a little mockingbird. Personalizations is one of the smartest strategies that you can use. Thank you again to the sponsor of today's video, iKoffy Edibot, the AI printer that makes personalizing baked goods even easier. You can find links to everything mentioned in this video in the description below, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Until then, guys, peace.